Show me, show me, show me the way, and I will follow you, to the end of time, and I will follow you, to the finish line, and middle section, follow you. I'ma call you mine, and I will follow you, until the day they close my eyes. I told her I'm just out here chasing my dreams. Gotta open every door of opportunity, and I would love to have you on the tour bus with me. So what's it gonna be? She said, show me, show me, show me the way. Show me, show me, show me the way. Show me, show me, show me the way, and I will follow you, to the end of time, and I will follow you, to the finish line, and I will follow you. I'ma call you mine, and I will follow you, until the day they close my eyes. So not only do I pop up inside of places like Sunset Cliffs, but also festivals. This one was inspired by Stagecoach, so let's go ahead and clap. I see the fireworks going off. The drive here a couple hours long. Electrolytes in my water bottle. Out here looking like a model. Chillin' outside Stagecoach. Putting on for they go. Waiting for the angels to come outside. Chillin' outside Stagecoach. Looking, dodging 5-0. Work my boots off so I'll be inside. I had a girl flashing tits for the first time. Got $100 tip from a rich guy. Have a 100-mile trip, but my whip fine. Hit up Denny's with a better way to end the night. Everybody here live for the weekend, but life 9 times better when you're dreaming. All these cowgirls, go ahead, call the cops. I ain't leaving. Chillin' outside Stagecoach. Putting on for they go. Waiting for the angels to come outside. Chillin' outside Stagecoach. Looking, dodging 5-0. Work my boots off so I'll be inside. I can't wait, can't wait, can't wait to be inside. Can't wait, can't wait, can't wait to be inside. Can't wait, can't wait, can't wait to be inside. Can't wait to be inside.
Once again, amplified music is not permitted within the city of San Diego. Please unplug your equipment. Thank you.
I see dust on the ground, I see stars in the sky, and I'm looking down on earth with a twinkle in my eye, wondering when they'll accept an alien like I. Chilling with my queen bee, trying to find our hive. Up in the spaceship, feeling like I'm 18. Gotta call my agent if you wanna reach me. I know they be hating, they just wanna beat me. Turn up my location, adios, leave me alone. Turn up my location, adios, leave me alone. Anything possible? Chilling in, spatial, listening to audible, moving at light speed, can't keep up, adios. Feeling like an alien, pop up outside of the stadium. Getting so high, I'm out the ozone. Need a satellite so I can phone home, cause I'm up in the spaceship, feeling